Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to replace my closer to my exterior door in the back of my house. I got this right here from Amazon because my other one got sprung and wrecked, so stay tuned. Here's the old one. Temporarily I put a screw right here. So open the door and let's get this rolling. Right, get this off. That's off. Replace that bracket. Right? Take this old one off using my variable drill here. Bent pretty good. If I can get that one on. Now, bent like that. See a difference now. Hmm. Let's go grab the other one. Come on. Screw there, okay. This pin. Boom. I put this on, well, I put this on like so, and this piece here to lock it, like that. All right. Slide this back. See if it stops it. Hey, awesome. Works. Yeah, I just got to clean up my door here a little bit. It's dirty, but beats replacing door. Right. Thank you for watching. I thought I'd share with you my little project I had to do today. Like, subscribe if you want to see more. It's good to do stuff yourself if you can. So long and have a good day.